Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're looking at Wayfinder or prompt. It just did a massive recovery, like it's up from 11 cent and actually ended up hitting like 17 cent. So we'll try to find out what is going on with prompt and where the token could be headed. And as you can see here, this is from my previous video and it actually ended up doing the exact same thing. It actually ended up peaking somewhere around 17 cent, and this was one that I was looking at in my previous video. We'll talk about it in just a second. If you're only interested in the price, you can just go to the end. Anyways, now let's get started. So why is the prompt token going up? So the main reason would be that their app is basically now live. So still it is in alpha, but again they actually ended up launching it and I really like it. So this is how it looks like. You can make an account, as you can see here, and you can do a lot of things. So this is the overview, and you have the discovery feature as well. As of now, they have transaction agents, perpetuals, contract agents, prediction agents, so you can do a lot of things here. And I really like I would say I really like the look and how it's doing. I haven't used it myself, but it seems like that it seems to be really interesting thing. You can also do cross chain swaps directly backed into it. So there is Solana as well as Bass, there's Ethereum, Hype, and there is Matrix. So they do support a lot of chains. I think they are probably using some kind of uh, path. I'm not sure which one is it, but again it seems really interesting one. You can do a lot of things directly onto their website. Now if we talk about what the prompt does, basically prompt is a native token of the Wayfinder platform used for the transaction fees, gas fees, and unlocking premium feature. So if you wish to buy the pro plan, you have to pay like $18 per month, which is in prompt, as you can see here, and you get like 1000 message monthly. You get lower fees for all transactions, you get access to all agents, you get like maximum to instances of active agents as well. So you also get like future agents, and you also get some other things as well. Now overall, I was a bit skeptical on their app, but since they have launched it, it seems like that it is really interesting. Now, if we talk about the token itself, like the prompt has the maximum supply of 1 billion. It is subject to, like if we look at the distribution, the investors do get a lot, like 25.49%, and the rest 50% goes to the community. We have treasury like getting 6.6, launch partner like 1.37, and team like 16.7. Now overall, they do have like 1 year cliff, I believe, and after that things could look really tough. But overall, I think there is a big potential in this token as of now because of their app. Now I think if the app becomes successful, or if the users starts using it, there is a chance that the prompt token could actually start surging, but it does need to hold above like 17.6 to 17.1 cent. As of now, it just rejected somewhere around here, but I'm looking at like this resistance. So if it is able to flip like 22 to 19 cent, and if it goes higher, so as of now, if it flips like this 22 to 19 cent, I think we could be looking at a massive recovery. It can go like as high as 40 cent, and since it doesn't have that much market cap, that is possible. But again, I think as of now it does need to close above like this range, which would be around 17.6. But if we look at how it's doing, it just went below it. So let's see what happens. But I'm looking at this exact range. And if we want to talk about how low it can go, again the best entry for the token would be around 11 to 10 cent, because that is the best zone to get the token. But overall, I don't think that it will most likely go in that range, since the market is doing really well. Since the Ethereum ended up hitting new all-time high, we could see a big surge from the prompt as well. So as of now, I'm expecting that it can hold this level like 17.6 to 17.1 cent, and if it does, we will most likely go as low as 22 to 19 cent, and if it continues, we could see maybe like going as high as 40 cent or even like 31 cent is a possibility. But I think it all depends on how community reacts on their application as of now. So let's see what happens, but I think this is a developing situation, and let's see what happens. But I'm expecting a big thing because the app seems really useful, as you can see. And even if you look at their agents, they do have separate agents, like you can do perpetuals, you can do contract, you can do predictions, and you can do also transactions agents as well. Now the only issue with the token, with which would be of course be their their supply. You can see if they have like 1 year cliff, that could mean that after 1 year the token could see a massive sell pressure as well. But again, they are working on other agents as well. So if the Wayfinder's adoption takes off, we could see a massive surge in prompt as well, because the token is fairly low market cap, and again, it's not available on Binance. So if it gets like Binance listing or even a bid listing, we could see, like, I think going as high as 40 cents should not be a problem. Since its launch, it has been making a pretty good correction, and as of now it has done that as well. So I think we can expect a big thing from the prompt as of now, since they just announced the app as well. So there's a possibility that the token could actually perform really well as of now. So it has been in the it also has been in the downtrend ever since like its launch, as you can see, and it did break above from that as well. So even if it goes down, I think we can expect a pretty good like rebound somewhere around 14 cent, or even like somewhere around 15 cent is possible. But again, I think it does need to go above like 17.6 cent, and it does need to go as high as 19 to 20 cent, so that it can go for like 40 cent or even higher than that. Let's see what happens, but I think it's looking really good for the prompt token. Anyways, this was it. I just want to cover this token. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.